Frustrated by not being able to reply to a specific moment in a Loom video? Learn to add a time-stamped comment in under 2 minutes. We'll move through 6 simple steps, from your library to the Activity tab, then type and post your comment. Start by clicking on Library to get to your video collection. Then click on any video you'd like to add a comment to. Once the video is open, click on Activity to move forward. Now click on the Comment area, where you'll type your comment. Go ahead and type in your comment right there. Finally, click on Comment at 000 to finish, and that's all there is to it. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.